Okay, Aaron, you can do this. You can do this. You've done it before. It's nothing new. It's just a new phone. It's a new device. You can do this, Aaron. Aaron, you can do this. Hey, Vector. How are you today? Vector doesn't even know. If you're wondering, I keep my Vector next to my butter in the kitchen. He's gotta go somewhere. Oh my God, Aaron. It's just a screen protector. I can put it on. Aaron, look at yourself. You can do this. All right? You can do this. Let's go. You're here today because you heard about Whitestone Dome. You've heard that these screen protectors are sometimes hard to install. You've heard that sometimes they don't install properly at all. Well, what I'm going to do is take you through a step-by-step process on how you can install the only screen protector I'm aware of that works with the under-the-finger fingerprint scanner and still leaves your phone feeling like it's glass. Other screen protectors feel like you're touching plastic. We all know what plastic feels like. That's why we like our phones to have glass sandwiches, because the smooth glass just feels so good, and that's what we want. Today, we're gonna get a screen protector, and we're gonna keep that nice, good glass feel. Let's open up the box and see all the components we have to work with. First thing you want to do is you want to properly clean your actual phone and your device and make sure you have a flat surface area. Is it flat? Is it flat enough? I think it's flat. Okay. I came prepared with some extra Zeiss handy cleaning wipes. I would also suggest powering off your device while the install process is happening. So power off. There we go. Now, traditionally, you can look at your phone and you can see the speaker and the grill, but on this device, you don't see a speaker grill, but you know the speaker is up there because that's where the earpiece is. On this device, it probably would have been better to label this earpiece instead of speaker, since I don't really see a speaker. All right. That is in there nice and tight. Next, we're going to use the dust removal stickers. Here are the speaker covers. We're going to take one off and we're going to slightly put it where we feel there's a speaker on this device. Just kind of line it up right here. We did it. Okay, next. You line up speaker. Absorption pads. Go right in there. I wanted to mention that Whitestone Dome is getting better with designing this tray, that they have notches and grooves to help you understand it and align everything up, and it just is going together so much easier, whereas before you were kind of guessing and the directions were kind of scary, and it's not as bad as it used to be. Now we're going to take the plastic pin and put it in the end above the speaker, and as you can see, it fits in there ever so slightly, and it creates a little barrier, so when we put the glass down, it doesn't touch it quite yet. Next, we're going to put the bridge on. Just click it in place. There we go. That was pretty easy. Now we got two adhesive bottles. Blue, black. Blue goes down. You have two in case you make a boo-boo. But we're not going to make a boo-boo. We're going to get this right the first time. You're going to get this right the first time. All right, we're going to unscrew. So unscrew it just like that. And we're going to put it down. Now, because this is glue, we're not worried that this is going to come down until we take the other top off for the suction to release. let's talk about these next few steps, all right? We've got this guy here, which is kind of heavy piece of plastic, right? And it goes right down in there, and it creates a weight on your device. It helps spread all the glue. So what we're gonna do here, undo this right now. I'm gonna let it all droop out. Next, we're gonna take the screen protector. Oh my God, I hope I do this right. I'm so scared. Okay, oh, it's easy, there's instructions. Top side for front, step 2, back tag adhesive. So this is the back of the device. Here we go. So we're gonna put this ever so gently right there. As you can see, we have the glue, we've got this little protector holding it, and now we have this. What this is going to do is it's going to create a weight that's going to push the glue down when we press the little button here, the little built-in button. All right, what we're gonna do is press this button until the glue reaches this, they call the indicator circle, and then we're gonna pull the tab out. There we go. Pulling the tab out. See it is all spreading very nicely, evenly everywhere. Okay, Google, set timer for 45 seconds. Oh, timer is done. All right. We're now removing the tray, and up comes with it the absorption pads. Like I said, Whitestone Dome, you've definitely improved on your process. What we got to do next is we got to cook the glue onto the glass and onto the screen protector. And we're going to do that with this UV light that Whitestone Dome actually includes in the box. I use a portable battery when I'm doing the curing. I find it's just easier than to plug it in, but you just find the end of wherever it's located. Okay, Google, set timer for 20 seconds. Turn your device back on. Now that was a pretty hard press just to get the scanner to work. So what we're gonna do is we're going to increase the touch sensitivity of the glass. And then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remap our fingerprint so that way it's got a new fresh scan. So remapping it is an absolute mandatory. You do have to press a little bit harder to register your fingerprint, so be mindful of that. However, I'm not really seeing any lag between the old fingerprint scanner and this one. Hopefully as time progresses, it'll actually get a little bit quicker and a little bit better. Thanks for watching the video. I know this one was a doozy. Hopefully we both got through our Whitestone Dome installation together, and you're gonna enjoy this screen protector as much as I am. Thanks for watching the channel. I definitely appreciate it. If you like what you saw or you like what you heard, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you really liked it and you wanna see more of me, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And the ultimate compliment you can actually pay to me is to share my content with somebody you love. For the love of tech, namaste.